abarai be kiama kya United Democratic Alliance korwase county ya Kisii nigo baba bakwemurungania askeri bagotebana nigo baba bagoserwa n'abanyanyimbo chingaki bakora egeikaro yoko barikia ababwatani be kiamekyo asoma bugani oyomo imeye county ya Kisii nonya nabo nigo batebana getango ngeyo kerachiko baterenia asoko gendera no murobiri oyo.
Ntwabwato mugutana alia banana results lakini asenjire ya moneria abasigari batu gutwaroro rinde bato tebingo mugutano itutakeiri the order from above ekere twachikobori rende twarranto ntunabantu twanchete lichiko igoto gotiga rinde tokore ebintu ebyo on a later date lero yarenge twanse egento gekorokwo ko erikia ase kiama kia United Democratic Alliance Kisii County Chapter nero tware gokora today eyitu akorire gwetera asabara yabaiga muna bakwanire erinde tochake amangana yaiga
tukoli ara oneli tukoli linene twata to launch registration ya UDA party members wano tuwakumisana kila tuwagenda galia banana resort alikeumbu evenyu twaro seti twamanya goseri guroro twakuminga nikitoko sererigwa and yet into tore Kenya tore free constitution yetu ne twalawete and Kenya yetu get multi party as to when to go join anywhere where we feel like. So we are wondering why the police is gagging us again to yakogera bago tominyokia and nkibago toboria ekiagera ntubugate freedom yaito yoko kolega si ngote yabantu baminto bonsi komora nche party nereye and party na moto minyokira abasigari na mokole kimogokora teriko ba stop people abantu abange no babwene te kobaime and no tolime and we are registering in big numbers.
Yes. We have come here today to launch officially our exercise of recruiting the UDA members. We are not here by mistake. We are here by choice. UDA is our party and we had our venue elsewhere which has been disturbed by the government. We are very sorry, whoever is behind that. We are condemning it in totality. Tulifika mahali ambao tulikuwa tumesema ndio mahali tutapangia hii mipango yetu, lakini kwa bahati mbaya tukapata serikali imeingia ikisuhia entry yetu kuingia ndani mahali penye tulienda. Na sisi kama watu tunapenda sheria ya hii nchi, tukasema ni vizuri tutii